Okay, so I did a couple videos previously about smart recruiters, but I was focused on the recruiter side of things. So today I'm going to look at it more as a candidate. So now I'm someone that's applying for a job. And so what I've done is I went ahead and asked Claude to create a resume. So this is all fictional data. I created this job specifically around an SAP FICO consultant. And so add some professional experience, some education. Very simple, right? And so the idea here is that I'm coming to a company's website and I'm applying for a job. So this is Smart Recruiters. When you take a look at it, very simple. You can look for specific employment types over here. Let's say full time, and then I'll say New York, right? And so, oh, okay, FICO Consulting Manager. This is the idea. There's some fields down here that show you a little bit about the company, but overall, it seems like a pretty straightforward job site. And so now I'll press view details, and now it gives me more context about this job. I can share it, and then I will click apply now. And so now this actually opens this up where I can see information like the location. If I scroll up and down, share the job, other jobs. So it's in case this one for some reason doesn't fit, you can kind of come and see and look at this. And then once you are ready to apply, you can press I'm interested. And now there's an easy apply to auto-complete your application. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my resume and just drag it over here. There's also an option to apply with Indeed as well. And so now if I take a look, it looks like it intentionally takes the second email and wants us to confirm that. So we can do that. If I come down here, it looks like it pre-filled the experience, including the dates for my resume and the education over here. And so I could take a look at this, and it did check the box of, hey, this is where I'm currently working, so that's good. My education here as well, so it pulled in the university, the major, it doesn't have any details. So I think at this point you could add in any additional context that might not have been pulled from your resume. Cover letters and other things, you could probably upload that here. And then in this job application, we have a message it to the hiring team as well. So you can type in something over here and do that. Then it's next, preliminary questions. So these are configurable fields. Have you ever been terminated? Let's say no. I think these would normally be disqualifier questions. Are you authorized to work in the location? Yes. Looks like they're interested in languages. And then there's a checkbox and an AI usage disclosure. That the information you provide may be processed by AI. And then you can hit the submit button. So when I look at it, it's actually a pretty straightforward application process. And I think the fields are pretty straightforward in terms of having the core information that you need along with your resume. All right, so thanks for watching. Check out the other videos I've made on smart recruiters, and then let me know what else you want to see in the comments. Thank you.